Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones Jabra Evolve2 85. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. So just connect adapter to the power and USB-C cable to your headphones. And right now we should see, and we can see LED light, so it means that it's charging. And the second one is to use your phone. All you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable, it looks like this. But if your phone didn't support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect the USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to your headphones. And we can also see LED light right now. So that means that it's charging. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!